I think for this question, it's absolutely the right call to start with statement 2, because we're looking for the area of a triangle, but we don't have any actual measurements, and then statement 2 just gives us an angle. But with just an angle, what chance do we have to find an area? I mean, an angle doesn't give us any indication of whether we're looking at a microscopic triangle or an astronomical triangle. So there's just no way you could possibly find the area of a triangle if all you have is a single angle. In fact, even if we had all the angles, it would be impossible to find the area of a triangle for the same reason. It could be a microscopic triangle or it could be an astronomical triangle. Angles don't give us any indication of the kind of size of shape that we're looking at. So I'm going to go ahead and eliminate B and D because they claim that statement 2 is sufficient on its own, and we're down to just answer choices A, C, or E. Now, if you know how to compute the area of a triangle, then you'll know that you just have to take half the product of base and height. And statement 1 gives us that product of base times height. So statement 1 is sufficient on its own, and the correct answer is A. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.